So I'm going to go over with you real quick on how to create a new meeting that potentially your students can join once they are logged into Microsoft Teams. So this is creating a meeting through Microsoft Teams and sharing the link to that Microsoft Teams meeting. So right now I am on the calendar in Teams. You probably open it up and it's normally on Activity or Teams or something else, but so you're going to navigate to Calendar, and then one of your choices up here is New Meeting. So if I click on New Meeting, I can go ahead and title it, for example, just Test, and here's where you can add required attendees, optional attendees, but really probably what you're going to use the most is add channel, because this is where you're going to find, hopefully, once it syncs with Skyward, your classes. So let's just say this is the title of my class, and I'm going to put it in just the general regular channel so that they can join that meeting from there. So I've selected my channel, and up here is where you can select the dates and the times. And if you have a repeating meeting, this is where you could set that as well. I'm going to leave the location blank, and you can type details for the meeting if you would like. And I'm going to go ahead and send it to the calendar. That is not all you have to do, and I know I haven't shown you the link or anything yet, so the reason for that is because you have to actually create it first in your calendar, and then it's loading, taking a little longer to load than usual, so I'm going to go ahead and just toggle between. Yeah, okay, so now it's on my calendar. If I click on it now on my calendar, now that it's created, you can see that it's created a meeting link. So this is the link that you could copy and paste in Seesaw or Canvas in an assignment or in an activity or in announcements, so that they would know or have the link to join your Teams meeting. If they are logged into Teams, or if you walk them through logging into Teams, it will be very simple for them to join. They could use your link in Seesaw and it will open in Teams and already know that it's them if they're already logged in. If they are not logged in yet and if they don't know their login, or even if a parent wanted to join a meeting like this for any reason, then they could just join as a guest. They will have to have the app downloaded if it's a mobile device. You can do it on a website on a computer where you don't have to download the mobile device. You can just do it through a browser. But for our students and on the iPad, the only way for them to join is by downloading the Teams app. So they do have to have that. But whether they know their login or not, they can still join your meeting. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, one more thing, meeting options. So I'm going to go to meeting options. Okay, and this is where you have some options here. So who can bypass the lobby? People in my organization. If you want to admit everyone into your meeting and you don't want the kids that have DPISD, that have logged in with their DPISD to bypass the lobby, then you could choose only me. If you do want them to be able to come in as soon as they've logged in, then you could do people in my organization. So that's up to you. And then announce when callers join or leave. That's an option that you have. And then who can present. So if you're doing something where you're going to want children to share the screen or your students to share their screen, then you could change it to people in my organization or specific students that you know or specific people that are joining you in the meeting that might want to share their screen, or only you. And then you just click save and it saves your meeting options. So that's just about all there is to it. And good luck.